I'm really excited to share this natural supplement I've been using for my cat because it honestly has made such a difference. It comes in a 2 bottle pack, which is perfect if you've got multiple cats like I do. And the best part, it's not medicated, just gentle, natural ingredients that help support their immune system and overall health. I started noticing a little improvements after a week or two and even bigger results after using it consistently for a month. What I really appreciate is how easy they make it. The bottle tells you exactly how much to give based on your cat's weight, and you can use it 1 to 2 times a day. No guessing, no stress. I originally tried it because my cats were dealing with things like sneezing, runny nose, water eyes, and over time they look so much more comfortable and healthy. So if you're looking for something natural, easy, and actually effective to add to your cat's routine, this has been such a great find for us.